Okay, guys and gals, hello and welcome to the next episode of Cyber Potato. And today we will add a funky navigation bar to our application. Okay, so let's do that. In the navigation folder, or in the layout folder, that's fine too. We can create another file and we'll call this navigation bar.tsx, and this is the component in our application that we'll use to move across the pages. Okay, so how are we going to do just that? Okay, let's start and let's call it let's import React, of course. So import React and then let's start. It's gonna be navigation bar. Yeah, it's gonna be navigation bar. I believe it won't take any props, but we'll see about that. Okay, and here we need something like navigation wrapper. Okay, and let's create just that. So I imagine it to be three links looking like a buttons in a row, okay, with a nice separator bar below it. So we can do navigation wrapper as a styled nav, let's say. Okay, so we need to import styled. Yeah. Okay, so of course we'll display flex as always. Make the width 70% around. Margin is gonna be 24 pixels from the tab. Auto on the sides, 16 pixels, and separation is gonna be justify content is gonna be space between. Okay, that was easy. So now about the links themselves. So the links are taken from React Navy library. Yeah, as you can tell, probably. And we would like to link to other pages. So let's add that graph is pointing to the home page, and we call it just, I don't know, your ideas is fine. Then we will have something else pointing to add, and this is the view where we'll add ideas. Let's add idea. Okay, and then we'll have the my account, of course. Okay, so this is definitely me, and here we'll just say my account, and we'll export default navigation bar. Okay, that's fine. Be noted that those links, those addresses, have to be the very same like the one that we used here. Okay. And since we are kind of repeating some stuff around here, let's create something like utils folder here, and we'll create, no, not another folder, another file. Let's call this routes urls.ts, and I'm gonna export default something like that. Or maybe we can do it better. We can do it better and should do it better. There's that type of a variable, this construct that you can use in TypeScript, and it's called enumerable. And you can use it to encapsulate a set of values that are enumerable. For example, and this is something that you can use to describe a closed set. For example, this can be the set representing the days of the week, because these are just 7 days, or a set representing a month, or for example, I don't know, a set representing some states in your app, like, I don't know, loading, loaded, failed, and empty. Okay, so I will do enum and call it route URLs for now. I hope this is correct. And now I can say that home is that syntax? No. Yeah, more like it. Enum. Yeah, it's enum. Then we have my account is going to be me. Add idea is going to be add. Login is going to be login, and register is going to be register. Okay, and I will export default routes URLs. Okay, and you always tend to use this kind of format to describe the URL. So it's all capitalized, and you place a dashes in between the words. Okay, so we can go to index now, and here I can say routes URL is, yeah, route URLs, and this is going to be home. And we have to import it naturally. Import route URLs from this is gonna be in utils and in route URLs. Okay, this should work. This maybe we should do this. Okay. Passing error. I think I know why is that. URLs home to string. Still not. Yeah, okay, let's just skip for now. We'll find the way to fix it later, but I can use this here. Okay, so this is going to be import route URLs from utils route URLs. Okay, and here we can say that this is route URLs home. Okay, this works here. This is gonna be routes URLs add idea, and this is going to be routes URLs my account. Okay, and now we will add it to our layout. So here we will just say navigation bar. Okay, yeah, okay, and now should be able to move through the pages. So while we are at that, let's add the layout everywhere here. So just wrap it in the layout. Okay, that's that, and then also here. Yeah, and let's import it, of course. Okay, so now, yeah, we can move through our pages. Okay, let's make it nice. So, the problem with the link component provided from the React Native is that it isn't really 100% working with styled components. And what I mean by that is I would like to do something like this. A styled course link. Yeah, pretty much restyling the link. But then something is wrong with the TypeScript definition for React. As you can see, it says that the attributes are not assignable, and we could fight with it and make it work, but that's just a tool, and we just want to make it work with the simplest way possible. So we can always fall back to the good old CSS. Okay, and it's going to be easy. I'm going to provide a class name here, and it's going to be just simply link. Here and here. I will create a, let's go to navigation CSS file here, and I'm just gonna create a good old link class. Okay, so the background color is something like this. Okay, text, we can do the text, can we do the text transform capitalize, color is white. I'm going to specify the min width to be this, text align is going to be center, text decoration is going to be none, padding is going to be 16 pixels, and the border radius set to that. Okay, should compile. Yeah, but we need to actually import it to use it. So this is navigation CSS. Okay, now this is nice. Okay, but now as you can see, when we are switching the pages, there's no way to actually tell whether the page is active or not. So we can change it and provide here something like active class name, okay, and this is gonna be active link. So yeah, active class name here is going to be active link, and active class name is going to be here. And I will simply change the color. Active link background color is going to be the same but a little darker, I would say E61. Okay, and now, yeah, now it's kind of strange because I can tell that this works but not properly, because the your ideas link here is always marked as active, and that's not what you would expect, but it kind of makes sense. If you see the route URLs, you will see that the home URL is contained as a character in every other single link that I have. So this backslash is here, and this backslash representing the home URL is also here. So how can we fix it? There's this nice little property that I can provide here saying exact true, and I can set it up, and now, yeah, now everything works correctly. And this is just me saying that this should be active only under that URL. So there should be an exact match between the provided URL and the component being recognized as active. Okay, there's one other part that I would like to add, and this is gonna be a separator like here. So I'm gonna wrap it in a fragment here and here. Okay, I'm gonna say display separator here. Okay, and this is gonna be self-enclosing. Okay, so the separator is gonna be styled HR, and what we can do is have a height of height, height. Okay, 7 pixels. The width, we can't inherit it, so I'll just simply say that it's going to be 70. And no, I don't want that. And since we're repeating ourselves, let's just say I can type navigation bar width will be 70%. Yeah, let's make it a string. And every time you're repeating yourself, well, try not to. Okay, so this is gonna be navigation bar width, and this is gonna be the same. Okay. What else? We have the height, have the border radius, I don't know, like 40 pixels. Yeah. Margin is 0 auto. Background color, can we use the color set? Yes, light pink. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. Just spec that. yeah, there's a border. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually this little border here, and I don't like it. So let's just set border to none first. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Okay, and we have our simple navigation set up here. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.